Nestled in the heart of Croatia, Plitvice Lakes National Park is a nature lover's paradise and one of the most known parts of Croatia. With its stunning turquoise lakes, cascading waterfalls, and lush greenery, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is truly a masterpiece of nature. The park, also known as Plitvice Lakes in Croatian, is spread across nearly 300 square kilometers and is home to a unique ecosystem teeming with diverse wildlife and flora. Whether you're an adventurous hiker or simply seeking tranquility in nature, Plitvice Lakes offers a mesmerizing experience that will leave you in awe. Plitvice Lakes was officially established as a national park in 1949, making it one of the oldest national parks in Southeast Europe. Exploring the breathtaking landscapes of Plitvice Lakes as you step foot into Plitvice Lakes National Park, prepare to be captivated by its awe-inspiring landscapes. The park is a paradise of 16 interconnected lakes, each with its own distinct color and charm. The crystal-clear waters range from emerald green to azure blue, creating a mesmerizing symphony of colors that will leave you spellbound. To truly appreciate the beauty of Plitvice Lakes, take a leisurely stroll along the well-maintained wooden walkways that wind through the park. These pathways offer panoramic views of the lakes and allow you to explore the park at your own pace. You'll pass by numerous waterfalls, small caves, and hidden alcoves that add to the park's enchanting atmosphere. Elegant and silent electric boats are another excellent option for exploring the park. The ride is included in the ticket entrance. One of the most unique features of the park's ecosystem is the Travon barriers that form the cascading waterfalls. These natural dams are created by the deposition of calcium carbonate, giving rise to terraced lakes. The constant flow of water and the presence of sunlight provide the perfect conditions for the growth of algae and moss, painting the rocks with vibrant hues of green and blue. No visit to Plitvice Lakes is complete without witnessing the mesmerizing waterfalls that dot the park. The most famous waterfall, Veliki Slap, stands at an impressive height of 78 meters and is a sight to behold. As the water plunges down the cliff, it creates a powerful mist that fills the air with a refreshing coolness. In addition to Veliki Slap, countless smaller waterfalls are scattered throughout the park, each with its unique charm. The sound of rushing water and the sight of cascading streams will transport you to a world of tranquility and serenity. Be sure to have your camera ready to capture these breathtaking natural wonders. Plitvice Lakes National Park is not only a feast for the eyes but also a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. The park is home to a wide variety of animal species, including brown bears, wolves, lynx, and numerous species of birds. The flora of Plitvice Lakes is equally diverse and remarkable. The park is adorned with a colorful tapestry of wildflowers, including orchids, lilies, and tulips. In spring, the meadows come alive with a riot of colors as the flowers bloom, creating a picturesque landscape that seems straight out of a fairy tale. While Plitvice Lakes is a year-round destination, the best time to visit depends on your preferences and the experience you seek. Each season, the park undergoes a magical transformation, offering a unique spectacle throughout the year. Spring is the ideal time to visit if you're a fan of vibrant colors and blooming flora. The park is ablaze with wildflowers, and the waterfalls are at their most potent due to the melting snow. On the other hand, summer brings warm weather and longer days, allowing you to explore the park to your heart's content. For those seeking a more peaceful experience, consider visiting in the fall when the crowds thin out and the foliage turns into a kaleidoscope of reds and yellows. Winter, although cold, offers a serene and otherworldly atmosphere as the lakes freeze over, creating a magical winter wonderland. Several accommodation options suit every budget and preference. From cozy guest houses to luxury hotels, you'll find a range of choices in the nearby towns of Korenica and Rakovica. Many of these accommodations offer stunning views of the surrounding nature and provide easy access to the park. Alternatively, you can stay within the park at one of the park's hotels or lodges. This allows you to fully immerse yourself in the beauty of Plitvice Lakes and enjoy the peace and tranquility that comes with staying inside the national park. Plitvice Lakes National Park is a true natural wonder that should be on every nature lover's bucket list. Its captivating landscapes, mesmerizing waterfalls, and rich biodiversity make it a destination like no other. Whether you're a wildlife enthusiast, a hiker, or simply seeking solace in nature, Plitvice Lakes offers an unforgettable experience that will leave you in awe of nature's masterpiece. Plan your visit to Plitvice Lakes and embark on a journey through this enchanting paradise. Immerse yourself in the beauty of the lakes, marvel at the cascading waterfalls, and breathe in the fresh air as you explore its unique ecosystem. Plitvice Lakes National Park is waiting to share its captivating stories with you.